courteous to the common man. No common man would like to go to the police station even if they have been attacked or somebody has broken the law with them, because they believe when they go to the police station, the people who are supposed to be in charge, who are supposed to be the caretakers of the law, they themselves act so rudely that nobody would like to even go and lodge the complaint. You prefer to suffer than to go there. Now for this, the government has to really take this very seriously, because if the law, protectors of law, themselves break the law, you don't have it. You are almost in a state of anarchy. It may not be in a very anarchy when I say it is such a pain for people. I think something serious has to be done. A serious training has to be given to them, that any rudely behavior will be taken strict action, and they should not only be suspended. In real serious matters, they should be immediately dismissed.
सध्या क्रायम रेट गोंयांत इतको वाडलेलो आसा. प्रत्येक गोष्टी म्हण एक्सिडेंट म्हण रेप केस म्हण मॉलेस्टेशन म्हण मर्डर म्हण किडनॅपिंग म्हण हेका कारण कितें सांगता. जो मुखिया आमचो आसा गोंयचो डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत त्या डिपार्टमेंटाचो होम मिनिस्टर म्हणून, तेजे तेंचेर बरें वचक ना. तेजेर वचक आसलें जाल्यार अशें जावचें नासलें. जो इन्सिडंट पळय बाणास्तारी घडला खऱ्या म्हणल्यार निशेध करपाक जावो. कारण कितें सांग पळय, हें ओल्ड पुलीस आनी नवीन पुलीस हेंचे भितर फायटींग हेच तरेक आमी मारपाक लागले जाल्यार सर्वसामान्यांक न्याय कोणा कडेन मेळटलो. अरे ज्या तरेन आमी ते व्हिडिओ व्हायरल जाता ते पयल्या फोटोग्राफ व्हायरल एकामेकाक ते कॉलरांक घट धरून जशें कितें दोन तरेचे गँग वॉर बी चालू तेन्ना रस्त्यार तो तरेचो इन्सिडंट आमकां दिसा बाणास्तारी पळोवपाक गावले.
It is not enough just to catch hold of one policeman who is not disciplined or who uses like extra constitutional authority, ताका suspend करप or ताका punishment दिवप. This will not solve the problems from the root. That is why I have been saying that these police people need to be given some classes, some education. हेंकाय मातशें कितें म्हणलें ताका counseling जाय, at least once in 2 months. So I policemen in uniform also go out of their control, and the person who thinks that he has got power even without uniform just because he is recruited as a police, त्यांचे आता माथ्या भायर गेला.